diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If she hold it down, I'ma put her on a white. I just came in, bet it's gone by the night. Rather give me drugs than give me good advice. Motor keep a grip, always stay with a vice. And it costs to be the boss, but I still don't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If she hold it down, I'ma put her on a white. I just came in, bet it's gone by the night. Been getting money, man, this shit don't excite me. Turn to a boss, you never met, no one like me. Don't need my team one-on-one, it's just me and you. They hate you for being you. It's crazy, everyone left. Right around the time when I needed you. Watch the knowledge they feeding. What's in it for them, they probably misleading you. Hop in the sky and I told her, let's race it. Dad her in jail, he didn't think I would make it. Give you my heart, but just swear you won't break it. My cops from work even though I could take it. Walk in the spot and she wanna know me. Said she got a man and won't keep it low-key. Say you got my back, but you gotta show me. My life on D&D. There couple perks of being me. Left when I asked for help, now you needing me. Say you a killer, I disagree. Ain't even fucking, she missing me. Behind my back, only time they be dissing me. I'm tryna make history. Pull out of some shots, don't know it's a mystery. Heard out her mom, now they live life in misery. Ice on my wrist like I got an injury. She had my line when she wanna fuck. Told her no, gotta get to the buck. Told him break a leg, I hope he got luck. I took all his treasure, threw it in the trunk. You try ride the wave and then your ship sunk. But you like a pussy, give you what you want. Pull up in that foreign, I ain't tryna stunt. My pocket's so beast, they on Professor Crumb. Give me drugs, then give me good advice. Motor keep a grip, always stay with a vice. And it costs to be the boss, but I still don't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If you hold it down, I'ma put her on a white. I just came in, bet it's gone by the night. Been getting money, man, this shit don't excite me. Turn to a boss, you never met, no one like me. Rather give me drugs than give me good advice. Motor keep a grip, always stay with a vice. And it costs to be the boss, but I still don't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If you hold it down, I'ma put her on a white. I just came in, bet it's gone by the night. Been getting money, man, this shit don't excite me. Turn to a boss, you never met, no one like me.
We're on the trap, pay what you owe. Yeah, my niggas, we get it and go. If you say that they smoke, then we land and blow. Niggas say that they shooters, they might head a toe. How you be in my face, but you hate on the low. Hop in the Benz, hit the gas and I go. I be so high, I be switching through flow. Grew up in the water, it's cold like it froze. Black out the winter, slide, I'm tinted. I ain't stopping this shit till I'm finished. All of my niggas, you know that we winning. We said we up next, bet you thought we was kidding. Gotta collect cause my hand just be itching. I can see that you blind and you missing the vision. On the deluxe, know we deep on the mission. If it's too hot, get the fuck out the kitchen. Listen, know we making it roll like an engine. And we chopping these beats with a weapon. He'll get in the game and you know how we steppin'. On the road, I'ma get what I'm destined. Young king, but to you I'm a blessing. On top hill game, you dead it. I know soon that they gon' get the message.
Rather give me drugs than give me good advice. Motor keep a grip, always stay with a vice. And it costs to be the boss, but I still don't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If you hold it down, I'ma put her on a white. I just came in, bet it's gone by the night. Been getting money, man, this shit don't excite me. Turn to a boss, you never met, no one like me. Rather give me drugs than give me good advice. Motor keep a grip, always stay with a vice. And it costs to be the boss, but I still don't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If you hold it down, I'ma put her on a white. I just came in, bet it's gone by the night. Been getting money, man, this shit don't excite me. Turn to a boss, you never met, no one like me.
Been getting money, this shit don't excite me. She fell in love cause I'm cool and I'm icy. Still in the jungle, this shit feel like Lion King. Pop out with gang, we leaving a crime. If life was a test, we gon' see where your heart is. I'm moving low key cause I know I'm a target. I walk with the stick like I live in the forest. I deal with my problems, you rather ignore it. I'm pouring, you reaching, I'm leaving them snoring. I step in the booth, get the cooking like for me. You thought it was real until they stop recording. Pull up and help cash, get the roaring. Niggas don't see the truth like it's foreign. I'm about to pray to the sun in the morning. Putting pressure on my ops so they forfeit. Money coming, I can't even ignore it. Hillcrest on top and we don't gotta force it. They see the drip and they wanna absorb it. She wanna get caught in my orbit. She gotta know how to play the resources. And I ain't calling reinforcements. If it's that, I'm at your door with it. Feel like Kobe, I've been on some scoring shit. I can live like a king for eternity. All this money, this shit don't mean anything. Nigga play with the team, we gon' finish him. I'ma get at you, we gon' spin. That's how niggas get caught in the wind. Lost bro, took that on the chin. That shit gave me more reason to win. If I run up 20, I'm putting up 10. Won't shoot at your body, I aim for the rim. I step in designer, thought I was a pimp. The seat recline when I hop in the Benz. I see your true colors, I know where we stand. Man, this nigga moving like a fan. He must not know who I am. Let's go.
Rather give me drugs than give me good advice. Motor keep a grip, always stay with a vice. And it costs to be the boss, but I still don't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If you hold it down, I'ma put her on a white. I just came in, bet it's gone by the night. Been getting money, man, this shit don't excite me. Turn to a boss, you never met, no one like me. Rather give me drugs than give me good advice. Motor keep a grip, always stay with a vice. And it costs to be the boss, but I still don't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If you hold it down, I'ma put her on a white. I just came in, bet it's gone by the night. Been getting money, man, this shit don't excite me. Turn to a boss, you never met, no one like me.
Niggas got me back on my shit. I'm back in that mode. Let's go. I got something to get off my chest, man. Niggas got life fucked up. Gangsta. First off, you can't get one up on me. Moms dropped me off, she didn't know I had my gun on me. You did the least, but still expect to get some type of glory. How you still trying to compete in the streets and damn near 40? Bitch, don't come for me like I sent for you, but ain't doing shit to them same niggas that clicked on you. I got problems with niggas who ain't got no morals related to the guys that can open and close portals. Flow fire, but the soul ether. They want me dead, I'm in the party with the Grim Reaper. My shorty bugging, I think I'm a leaver. Simple conversations with bitches, how I become a cheater. I stand for what I stand on and execute anything I plan on. It don't see nothing going wrong. I'm about to make the water bubble, niggas lukewarm. The devil still running around my earth, how could I stay calm? An eye for an eye, but we can go gun for gun. If it's something, let it fly. A lot of niggas bitch scared to see what the other side like, but I can see my ancestors approaching in the hindsights. Word. I told y'all niggas I wasn't playing with y'all niggas this year, didn't I? What, you thought I was joking? You ain't never switch up on your mans, that's. And you ain't turn the back on the fam, that's. And he said fuck the money, hit the grams, that's. And he begging God for a second chance, but here I'm riding with the 40, he get active with us. Niggas got arms, but I know they soft as caterpillars. And we been running through the jungle like mutant gorillas. We don't need no refs in the field, nigga, we beneficial. So I can get up with you, or I can make a phone call, have niggas get up with you. Bitch only wants you when it's beneficial. She gon' say I love you when it's probably gon' get to you. I'm just keeping it real. You want your heart out there and your soul blinded in the battlefield. I guess I should stop telling you how I feel. And I was built for this shit like I was made of steel. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, real Hillcrest nigga. You heard? We the last of a dying breed, you feel me? Shout out my niggas, man. Shout out my nigga Troy, man. My nigga Rick. My nigga Julio. Free my nigga Justo. Ayo, Cheese. I told you I was gonna do this to these niggas, Cheese. Ha. Ayo, Mills, what up, nigga? You know how we coming, man. These niggas bitches. My young niggas sad, man. All my niggas, man. Y'all know who y'all are, man. I don't even gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta do all that. Niggas might as well call me God at this point the way I'm doing this shit. For real.
D-Mark got that heat.
Hillcrest shit, man. Look, check me out. Said I really want my city, I be trapping day and night. Tell them pussies I'm on murder, I know they don't wanna fight. If we see the ops in traffic, slide the doors and hit the lights. If I jump out with this bitch, I bet he run like Jay Rice. Swear I turned into a demon, nigga, should've took my life. I can't lay up with no holo, bitch, you cannot stay tonight. I got pimpin' in my blood, I'm to a bitch like Money Mike. I was following a dark path, I swear I seen the light. Execute the only option, niggas don't know how to fight. Took the long way through hell, I swear this shit been a hike. I was searching for a way out, meditated, lock my sight. Put a sight on the chop, you can't get hit from any height. Bitch, I'm with that. If I ever told you, then I love you, then I meant that. If you scream it's war, I'll make a call and I can get that. Them niggas is pussy, if I spin, he get a shit crack. I'm a young nigga from the hill, you better king that. Across the chessboard, watch me move. You never seen a nigga do what I could do. I never seen one of you little niggas shoot, but you be talking on the gram like that's some shit you do, nigga, stop it. Yeah, I'm on that block, we got it lit. Yeah, I got this bitch off a perk and a Vic. Yeah, I want my dogs like Mike Vick. If you want it, you can get it, take a pic. I really want my city, I be trapping day and night. Tell them pussies I'm on murder, I know they don't wanna fight. If we see the ops in traffic, slide the doors and hit the lights. If I jump out with this bitch, I bet he run like Jay Rice. Swear I turned into a demon, nigga, should've took my life. I can't lay up with no holo, bitch, you cannot stay tonight. I got pimpin' in my blood, I'm to a bitch like Money Mike. I was following a dark path, I swear I seen the light. Good gas while I smoke, nigga, me, you not alike. If it's really like that, nigga, meet me by the light. Pull up, big gun, 50 clip in the drum. Ride through the house, I know them niggas ain't on none. Last nigga said it's that, he ain't lit to see the sun. I be wake up in the morning, look at myself, I'm the chosen one. Damn, how I make it this far? I get this big ass gun in the car. I pull up to
loves that I'm a goat. They don't want it, yeah, they scared of what I know. Told you the budget, yeah, I gotta get my own. Shout out my bros, this right here deserves a toast, yeah. A lot of people back home on my back and they know.